On September 7th, India joined an exclusive group of countries that possess hypersonic weapons technology by testing its first hypersonic technology demonstrator vehicle. The test comes amid the government's push to Atmanirbhar Bharat and heightened tensions with China. India is now the fourth country in the world after the US, China and Russia to develop a scramjet engine and enter the coveted club. Apart from these four countries, Australia, France and Germany are currently developing hypersonic weapons technology. The missile in India was the first indigenous unmanned scramjet propulsion system test-fired from the Abdul Kalam Island off the coast of Odisha. What is hypersonic technology? The ratio of the speed of an aircraft to the speed of sound determines if it is subsonic, supersonic or hypersonic, where M denotes Mach numbers. When we talk about hypersonic defense technology, there are two types: hypersonic glide vehicles and hypersonic cruise missiles. HGV is launched from a rocket before gliding to a target, while cruise missiles are powered by high-speed air-breathing engines or scramjets after acquiring their target. So we are talking about land, sea or air attacks with cruise missiles. Hypersonic weapons are also different from ballistic missiles as they do not follow a ballistic trajectory. Ballistic missiles are launched towards a predetermined target by directly injecting it into the atmosphere. A handful of countries, including the Hypersonic Club, are also known to possess land-based intercontinental ballistic missiles. How do hypersonic weapons work? Hypersonic weapons use kinetic energy to destroy unestablished or underground targets. Hypersonic missiles travel at speeds faster than 3,800 miles per hour or over 6,000 kilometers per hour. The Defense Research and Development Organization, with the HSTDV mission, has demonstrated capabilities for highly complex technology that will serve as the building block for next-gen hypersonic vehicles. India will reportedly make its first hypersonic missile in the next 5 years that can travel at 6 times the speed of sound or Mach 6, that is over 2 kilometers per second. These missiles have multiple other features such as air defense, surveillance, long-range cruise missiles, aiding the development of energy-efficient, low-cost and reusable satellite launch vehicles. The HSTDV cruise vehicle is mounted on a solid rocket motor. The statement said that the hypersonic cruise vehicle was launched using a previously tested solid rocket motor, which propelled it to an altitude of over 30 kilometers, where the aerodynamic heat shields a protective layer separated at hypersonic speeds. The cruise vehicle separated from the launch vehicle after attaining certain Mach numbers for speed. It then continued on its desired flight path at a velocity of 6 times the speed of sound. The scramjet engine ignited automatically. Ramjet, scramjet and dual-mode ramjet are 3 concepts of air-breathing engines which are being developed by various space agencies including ISRO. A ramjet-powered vehicle requires an assisted takeoff. A supersonic combustion ramjet or scramjet engine is an improvement over the ramjet engine. What does it mean for China? While China is reportedly expanding its naval capabilities, India's big step in the hypersonic missile space can give it sleepless nights. The missiles are hard to track compared to traditional ones because of their speed. Therefore, a land-based radar cannot detect them. Several countries are developing hypersonic weapons which fly at speeds of at least Mach 5, that is 5 times the speed of sound, but none have yet introduced them into their operational military forces. In March, the United States successfully tested an unarmed prototype of a hypersonic missile. With the current test, it seems India will also be conducting more tests in the future to foolproof the technology.